I saw you earlier. What are you doing?
What's that?
What are you doing?
My own business. How about you?
He's so cute.
What is he? Make him say something.
I can't.
He can.
No, she won't talk. Her name is Jasmine.
She's shy or what?
She won't talk in public. She talks at home.
Talk to me, Jasmine.
She's busy. She's not in.
Who will be the next president of the United States?
Jesus Christ.
Sure, Trump.
It's a bad question.
Yeah.
What an amazing animal! Look at those eyes.
So
I'm talking about you.
no.
Oh, you know, that's my favorite line. I'll have the women walk by me and they'll say, beautiful or gorgeous. And I'll say, bird's pretty good looking too, huh?
Look at that mountain. It's stupid. I just got a raise at the firm. I'm moving into a new office, and I would like to buy all of this here.
Okay.
Except for that picture of that mountain, I'd like to have that removed. Can I do that?
Sure. Oh, for the picture.
I want everything but that picture. I want that burned. I'll put up a poster of Brutus the Barber Beefcake or something.
Oh, indeed. You don't need to have the picture.
Is this? Yeah, this is. You've.
Hello.
So we're thinking about having my birthday extravaganza here. You have the massive margarita, right? The really big one?
We had a big one. We had like I say, with the we call it chiquitipun. It's like a 5 minute.
So should we do it here, or do you have that really big one, right? Okay. Should we do it here or 7 leguas?
7 leguas like that.
This is the Colfax. Okay.
How much is your big margaritas? Let me show you that.
Oh, you decide.
Okay. Okay, we've seen everything that we need to see. Okay.
Well, you have to be quick.
Okay. I like that one. I like that one.